Hey guys, quick video here today. Nice day out. 262, Saturday it gets picked up and it's going to its new home. Guy can't make a deposit down on it Monday. Picks it up Saturday, so yeah. So I figured I'd do a final cold start of the 262 for you. It's in all its glory, hooked up to everything. I'll get it started and do one last little cold start here of it, and last time it runs, at least on my channel. So here goes nothing, guys. There you guys go. There would be the final cold start, and last time the GT262 will be on YouTube. Yeah, so there it is, guys. I'll leave you with that, and sad to see it go, but buys a new bagger for the new tractor. So there's the final cold start of the 262.